Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are gonna learn how to say thanks in Turkish. Saying thanks or thank you is an integral part of our lives. We say thanks when we want to give appreciation to someone or acknowledge the favors of people done for us. Okay, let's see how we can say thank you in Turkish. We use the expression teşekkür ederim if we wanna say thank you to someone. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. It means thank you. Next is teşekkürler. It means thanks. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. If we want to say thank you so much, thank you very much, we can use the expression çok teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim. Here çok means very. We can also say çok teşekkürler. Çok teşekkürler. It means thanks a lot. And we can also say sağ ol. Sağ ol if we wanna be casual with our friends and dear ones. That's the end of discussion. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.